evening. Breaking news latest news 7th November 2021. International news. Libya's Presidential Council says it has suspended Foreign Minister Najla El-Mangush for 14 days and banned her from traveling, pending an inquiry. Reason regarding an interview about the Lockerbie bombing in 1988. Reports BBC. Taiwan says 16 Chinese warplanes enter air defense zone. It is one of the largest Chinese incursions into Taiwan's air defense identification zone since early October. President Xi Jinping votes in local body election as China showcases its brand of democracy. China says no country held a patent for a democratic political system. Iraq Prime Minister Mustafa al-Kadhimi survives assassination bid with drones. The failed assassination attempt was with an explosive Sluggan drone that tried to target his residence in the Green Zone. Reports Indian Express. Taliban orders taxi drivers to not transport other gunmen other than the ones who are the Taliban affiliates. Reports NDTV. National news. Congress ruled Punjab cuts petrol price by 10 rupees, diesel by 5 rupees, Chief Minister says first in 70 years. A portable and cost-effective machine, innovated by India's Vidyut Mohan, is being pitched as a big part of the potential solution to air pollution. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Vidyut Mohan, a Delhi-based mechanical engineer in Scotland's Glasgow. Reports NDTV. Bharatiya Janata Party National Executive Meeting discusses expansion across states. Party Chief J.P. Nadda said the BJP was yet to peak and that it has to expand its footprint in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana. BJP not centered around any family, its values are Seva, Sankalp, Samarpan, says PM Modi in the meeting. Be with the people. Be in touch with them and have affinity with the people you know, he added. Reports Indian Express and Times of India. Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan assumes charge as Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command. A recipient of the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Vishisht Seva Medal, he has held several key appointments in his naval career, including the command of aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. Bombay High Court sets aside special court order, sends former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to Enforcement Directorate, ED, custody till 12th November. 3 arrested over cryptocurrency chainlink scam in Bengaluru. The police said the accused had come up with a chainlink investing model in which members can make others join the platform and get commission for it. They were assured returns of 20% or higher. Reports Indian Express. 13 more test positive for Zika in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, tally now 79. Reports Times of India. The crime branch wing of Odisha Police, probing the Chandipur Development Organization, DRDO, espionage case, has come across the role of another woman operative in the leaking of classified information from the defense installation. Water supply hit in several parts of Delhi after ammonia levels rise in Yamuna, according to the Delhi Jal Board. Treatment and pumping of water treatment plants in the city have been affected, resulting in a massive disruption of supply. Delhi's air quality continues to remain in severe category with AQI of 436. Reports Statesman. Centre places purchase order for Zydus Cadilla's needle-free COVID vaccine. Maharashtra State Minorities Development Minister Nawab Malik on Sunday alleged that NCB's Mumbai Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede was part of a plot to kidnap Aryan Khan, the son of Shah Rukh Khan. Reports Asian Age. Father of NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede has filed a defamation suit against the Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik in Bombay High Court seeking a compensation of 1.25 crore rupees. Reports Times Now. Tamil Nadu News. Heavy rain in Tamil Nadu. Schools and colleges in Chennai, Tiruvallur, Chengalpattu, Kachipuram districts have been ordered to stay shut. Reports NDTV. Muruganandam becomes Tamil Nadu Finance Secretary. P. Amud, posted as Principal Secretary, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department. Bila Rajesh posted as Principal Secretary Commissioner of Land Reforms. Tamil Nadu registers 862 new COVID cases, 10 deaths. Reports Times of India. Business News. 5 years after demonetization, currency notes in circulation continue to rise, albeit at a slower pace, even as digital payments surge with more and more people embracing cashless payment modes. Reports Economic Times. Thank you. Please subscribe free to iIntelligence, iNews to get more videos on important news.